This is a really quick project. I thought I'd just quick video it. I'm just going to shabby up this frame to use in my next project. So this is just a cheap frame. I think I have a couple of these. Got them from a car boot, I believe. And I just want to add one of my art tiles to it. So this is the art tile, my little heart. So I need to match it in the frame, and I don't want it brown. So what I'm going to use this chalk finish paint. It's a Rustoleum and it's in the Grafite colour. So give it a quick shake, open it up, take it out of here. So I'm just going to quickly, the good thing about chalk paint is you don't need to prime your surface. Chalk paint will paint on most surfaces. So this is just wood, so it's perfect. I'm just going to give this a quick, probably do a couple of coats and dry in between with my heat gun. So I'll do that quickly. Okay, so that's the two coats of the dark, the graphite grey, chalk paint, and now it's got to be dry before you do this other technique. And this is just dry brushing. I'm sure a majority of you know how to do it, but I thought I'd just show you quickly. This is just a white chalk paint, and you need quite a dry brush, and then you just pull it over the top. So it just sort of like catches and it gives a really, really nice effect, which makes it sort of rusticy and sort of old looking, which is a great look. And this is sort of like more of a masculine frame, which I was after. Go done on 4 sides, and that's it. So that's how quick and easy it is to transform a frame, just a wooden frame, which you can pick up anywhere. So have a look in your thrift stores or your charity shops, and then that's what you can do. So what I would like to do in the next project is this is the heart I would like to put in it. So please join me for the next project. If you like what I do, please subscribe, and a big thumbs up will be great. And I will see you next time. Thank you.